Okay, hi, I'm Mine from UHI, and this is Super 3, our newest synthesizer. It's a multi-timbral modular synthesizer. You have this grid in the middle where you can put modules. And if you know Zebra 2, then all the grid and the modules will be like familiar to you, but it's really different from the ground up. It's like the same skeleton and different flash all around it, more modern everything. Yeah, like we have modules that are oscillators, physical modeling, and filters. And the most flexible module is probably the oscillator. It's what Zebra 3 is famous for, and we have it released in Zebralette, which is free for a while now. So it's just one of the oscillators for free in the synth, and it's so versatile. You can draw waveforms or spectra in this little editor or in a more complex spline editor here for experts. And you can just draw waveforms down here and morph between them. We also have different morph modes and stuff. And the filters are also really great. Let me just initialize that. Yeah, you can choose many different filter types here. Linear is just a digital filter, really clean, and all the other ones are analog filter types, so they are really distorting in different ways. We have a ladder filter, Moog style, and probably the dirtiest one is the yellow filter. It really drives awesome, and the resonance is really screamy. Yeah, like you have to play around with them. And
can you have a taste of a few presets?
Sure. Let's go in the showcase folder. That's like 80 presets that are really condensed. Okay. So you saw me play with the macros here. Every preset has 4 macros. They're just modulating different things, like for performance, if you want to do this. Zebra has no samples, so nothing you hear is sampled. It's all synthesized. And just to showcase the oscillator, I'm going to show a piano preset. Actually, let me use the tags. Keys, piano, the Feldgrand. It's so amazing. It's a single oscillator and some noise, and it just sounds like a real piano. What sound designers can do with these spline editors.
How many presets does it represent?
1,200 presets.
1,200.
Yeah.
Very fine. And the new names, I'm talking about the sound designers, or you have just in-house creators that do the stuff for you?
No, we have some in-house sound designers, but most of them are external sound designers. We just.
I guess the whole world just contributed to Zebra 3, I might say.
Yeah, well, I think the most presets just came from sound designers we know that even got Zebra before the beta phase. And during the beta phase, more people just wrote us and asked if they could like give us some presets, and yeah, then we got to a nice number of presets.
Oh yes, that's kind of impressive. Thanks a lot for